So Cole, let's tell people about the Apollo. This is not a Tao.
No, it's not a Tao. It's pretty similar to the Tao, but okay. So neutral's all the way down, so it's not in between first and second gear. So it's 4 up versus the Tao being 1 down, 3 up. I do feel like the gears might be just a little bit longer than the Tao.
Agreed, yeah.
But I do not think that it's got as much bottom end that the Tao's got. It doesn't have that same torque that the Tao's pulling, but it's smooth. It runs great.
As for like cosmetically, we were looking at them. The graphics are almost identical, except it says Apollo instead of Tao.
Yeah.
The plastics are definitely the same thing. Muffler is different. These are maybe a tiny bit quieter, but I still wouldn't classify them as quiet by any means.
Yeah, they're still loud.
Yeah, you go.
Gas cap's different.
Oh yeah, gas cap is different.
You got a full twist off. This is just like a little sports bike gas cap.
Yep, and don't get faked out by the key.
Yeah, there is no key slot here. It makes you think there would be, but
there's no key. You can't lock it. No locking gas cap. You could probably replace that with a locking gas cap.
Probably could.
If you're worried about people stealing your 1 gallon of gas.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. 93 octane only in these. It actually says it right there.
Yeah.
But it only takes about $3 to fill it completely up.
Yeah.
93 octane.
Yeah, they don't hold much at all.
And they last a while.
We were looking at them. Tires are the same tires as the Taos. The motor looks identical. I think the transmission and the muffler, and other than the name, are literally the only differences.
Yeah, I think they're cloned.
Yeah,
I really think they're both
definitely.
like Honda clone motors.
Definitely. But yeah, thank you for giving us a tour around your Apollo. Logan, which a man on the operator over there, he has an identical Apollo over here. We'll give you a quick rundown. It's basically the same thing, except it's red. Yeah, look at that, red. Oh yeah, his muffler, he's got
Just a little heat shield.
Little heat shield's kind of coming off.
The guy that we bought them from did say though, anything that's tightened by an Allen wrench to take them out and put Loctite in them, but that kind of stuff you really don't need.
Yeah, so far on one of my bikes, actually Kayla's bike, the spark plug wire got caught by a stick and got pulled off. We put it back on and it's running good, but other than that we haven't had many issues out of any of the bikes. The chain does loosen up a ton, so we actually have to readjust Cole's bike, and I think Logan's bike needs a little readjustment too, but they're doing good. We're gonna get this track ready for them and get some more clips. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I do have a little bit of information regarding the Apollos. One of them has a new issue. I'm going to be doing a video on that. I'm going back over to my cousin's house to check it out. But it looks like we may have a motor problem out of it. But no worries, we're going to get it fixed, whether we have to get another motor or maybe take that one apart, regardless. But thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you want to see a drag race between the old Apollos and the Taos. There is another bike that we just added to the fleet. My other cousin actually got it, so we'll do a video on that once I go back over there. It's an Apollo RFZ. Looks like a sick bike. Yeah, so I'll let the rest of this footage play out and enjoy it. See you on the next one.